just heard the Prime Minister send a very strong message and make it very clear that there has been no incursion in Ladakh. None of our posts have been captured. The enemies must hear this tonight, especially the 51-year-old undeserving defeated adolescent and his stooge in Ladakh, that Congress leader who wants Ladakh to break into 1,000 pieces. Viewers, you will not believe it. We have a senior Congress leader on tape tonight saying that half of Ladakh should be given to China. Hear this tape and then we'll have our first debate.
A billion Indians united to pay tributes to the 20 soldiers who laid down their lives protecting India's territorial integrity at the Galwan Valley on the 15th of June. The anti-China sentiment is high.
कि पूरे पंजाब में नहीं पूरे देश में चाइना के प्रति बहुत गुस्सा पाया जा रहा है। वो चाहे जैसे कि कोरोना की बीमारी हो के रिलेटेड हो, जो उन्होंने ये हरकत की है उसकी वजह से हो। पूरे पंजाब ये मांग कर रहा है सेंट्रल सरकार से, हम भी हमारा परिवार भी मांग कर रहा है चाइना को इसका जवाब है जड़ाओ ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना चाहिए, मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना चाहिए।
Gurpreet Singh, his brother already said that if I'll get a chance to join army, I will definitely serve at the same place where my brother served.
At a time when India is united against the enemy nation, the traitors within have been exposed. Here, listen to this shocking tape.
और बाकी सब ठीक है। वो ले वालों की तो बड़ी वो चिंगपिंग कर रहे थे हैं।
हाँ, और सुनो, और पता क्या होगा? लद्दाख यूटी के 1000 टुकड़े हो जाएंगे फिर।
हाँ, हो जाएंगे बराबर।
फिर 370 हमें वापस मिलेगा।
370 की वजह से ये सब कुछ हो गया।
हाँ,
उसी की वजह से ये सब हो गया।
वो चाइना का फॉरेन मिनिस्टर तो बोलता है हम लद्दाख को इंडिया से जल्दी आजाद करा देंगे 1 महीने के अंदर।
तो हमारा क्या होगा कश्मीरियों का?
कश्मीर को भेज देंगे हम पाकिस्तान।
Following the Tukre narrative, this leader from Sonia Gandhi's party is celebrating the Galwan face-off. Listen again as he talks about the political impact.
हेलो।
हाँ, सुन रहा हूँ।
फिर पता क्या होगा? फिर दिल्ली में मोदी की।
Furthering the Congress's pro-China agenda, the lobby too has revealed its intent. Former Amnesty India chief Akar Patel, who was recently in the news for attempting to trigger violent protests in India, now says that China is not the real enemy. He tweets, and I quote, "Our real enemy is the BJP. China is an opponent, has strategic objectives. It isn't trying to destroy us internally. BJP is." So the agenda is clear. Whether it's Rahul Gandhi's back-to-back anti-army and pro-China statements,
भाई और बहनों, चीन ने हिंदुस्तान के शस्त्रहीन सैनिकों की हत्या करके एक बहुत बड़ा अपराध किया है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, इन वीरों को बिना हथियार खतरे की ओर किसने भेजा और क्यों भेजा? कौन जिम्मेदार है?
or his party man's anti-India tape.
लद्दाख यूटी के 1000 टुकड़े हो जाएंगे फिर।
हाँ, हो जाएंगे बराबर।
And the lobby declaring that China is not an enemy. Clearly, the agenda is not against China. It's against Modi. Let's debate.
Mr. Rigzin Spalbar is former chairman and chief executive councillor of the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, member of the Congress party, contested the 2019 Lok Sabha election from Ladakh. Mr. Spalbar, this Congress leader has said, and it's on tape, that Ladakh Union Territory ke 1000 tukde ho jayenge. He has said that Ladakh will be broken into multiple thousand pieces, and half of it will be taken over and should be taken over by China. He has gone on to say that Leh should go to China. He has also said that he is hopeful that once Leh is captured by China, Narendra Modi will face a political impact in Delhi. What is the Congress party really up to?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Arnav, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Please
Yeah.
comment on this traitorous rant.
Very shocking. Yes, yes, very shocking, despicable, seditious, and malicious too. But I tell you for your information, Arnav, our Ladakh Territorial Congress Committee President, Shri Rigzin Jora, has already expelled him. He stands expelled from the party.
Sambit is
promptly.
responding. No, that's a
This
cover-up action
afternoon.
you're doing
so
now.
he has got nothing to do with Congress henceforth.
No.
Let me answer that. Let me answer.
Sambit Patra wishes to respond to you, Mr. Spalbar.
He is no more with Congress.
sir.
We strongly condemn it. Now it
Okay,
is
good
with the
that you condemn,
government.
but please
Now
listen
that
to-
Republic has
listen to
exposed
my
it, you are
answer as
doing
well.
this.
Let me
Sambit is
answer, let
countering
me
you,
answer.
sir. Yeah.
Let me answer. See, as the boss, so are the
No, I
speeches.
can send you the letters and copies
Okay,
of
please,
his
sir. I have the
expulsion,
letters
which
with
were
me.
done
I have
this
the letters
noon
with
only.
me. I can show the letters. This
So
is the
promptly.
one letter.
So
This is the other
promptly.
letter. We do our, unlike Rahul Gandhi, we do our homeworks very well, sir, before coming for debates. Thank you. Mr. Goswami.
Mr. Spalbar is
as
on the other
boss, so
side,
are the
sir.
stooges.
Mr.
I mean,
Spalbar.
remember Mr. Rahul Gandhi going to JNU
Yeah.
and standing with all those people who
Yes,
shouted, Bharat tere tukde honge, inshallah, inshallah. And this is what exactly Mr. Zakir Hussain is wanting. Bharat tere tukde, inshallah, inshallah. Because I have heard the complete conversation. One part of the conversation, he says that, well, Ladakh should be broken into small pieces. It should go to China, because only then Modi would be weakened, and the kind of abuse that he uses for Mr. Modi, I cannot on air mention even those abuses. And then he says that Kashmir and part of Kargil should go to POK and Pakistan. So Bharat tere tukde honge. This is what he means to say. And as far as inshallah is concerned, that is completed by Salman Sood. Salman Sood, one of the, starry-eyed boy of the Congress party, a very close confidant of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, goes ahead to say that this Galwan Valley is belongs to a man who is the servant of the Prophet, and it of course does not belong to the ones who are bigots and Hindutva forces and those who do not like us. I mean, this is communalization. This is inshallah portion. And as far as the third most gruesome, I would say
You are playing
devastating
cheap
the Indian Army part is
politics.
concerned,
You are playing
that
cheap
is by
politics.
shameless Mr. Hussain Dalwai.
You are playing
Hussain
cheap
Dalwai
politics.
goes ahead to say,
Mr.
where is the
Patra,
proof? Where is
please,
the
for
proof that our
God's
20
sake,
jawans
stop
did
playing
anything to the
cheap
Chinese
politics.
soldiers, to the brutal Chinese PLA army men? I mean, this is what Congress is. Sir, I'm so sorry to state, sir, I respect every Ladakhi, be he a congressman or be he not a congressman. You all are hardworking
He
people,
stands.
and I know
no,
you all are
listen to me.
patriot people.
Listen to me.
Mr.
He stands
Rigzin.
expelled
This is-
from
Mr. Rigzin,
Congress.
may I ask you for
You
your
have
elaborate...
no right to
Mr.
speak
Mr.
against
Rigzin,
Congress.
Mr.
This is
Rigzin,
just cheap
Mr.
politics.
Rigzin, when did you sack him?
Yes, please.
When did you expel him? Tell me.
4:30 p.m.
This noon.
After,
I can send you the
yeah, one
copy
minute.
of the
Now,
expulsion
so I'll tell you a
in
couple of
order
things.
of
I'll
our
tell you
president.
what
You
you've
want.
done. I'll tell you what you've done, sir. You tried to play this
Yes,
down.
please. Yes.
You knew about it a long time back. This tape has been doing the rounds. Initially, you gave him a show cause notice. Then when the matter became a big issue in the national media, and
That
you
means you
realized you
also
could
knew
not,
it. You
you
are
could
playing it
allow me
today.
to complete, allow me
You
to
also
complete,
knew it. You are
allow
playing
me
it
to
today.
complete, allow me to complete. When you realized
please,
you were
yes, please.
unable
Don't
to
give
cover
it a
it up,
political colour.
then you have taken action. Political color? You tell me
Congress
political
has
color,
got
Mr.
nothing to do with
Rigzin.
it.
Now,
Mr.
now let
Allah,
me ask you the
please.
next question, Mr. Rigzin. Listen to me. The Congress leader also
Yes.
said,
Yes, please.
the Congress leader also said, and I invite Ajay Alok on the debate right now. The Congress leader also said, Ajay Alok, that when Ladakh will be divided into half and China will take away half of Ladakh, then Narendra Modi will face a political fire in Delhi. What does this reveal, Ajay Alok? That in all of this, they are only calculating. 1 minute, they are calculating. You are looking. It's what everybody knows. It's just that now it's available on tape. You have been sitting there salivating, giggling, and calculating the political gains of Ladakh. Shame on this party. Shame on this party, which does this. Ajay Alok is on the debate on this scandalous revelation. Ajay.
And expelled it. Which other party
I have just three small little questions to ask. Sir, I have three questions to ask from you. Are you a congressman? Yes or no?
Who are you asking me?
Yes or no, sir? Yeah, I'm asking you. You are a congressman, I guess.
Yes. Are you asking me? Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm asking you. Second question, sir. Good. Do you like China or the Chinese Communist Party?
Yes.
Do you like China or the Chinese Communist Party? Yes or no? Do you like China or Chinese Communist
you
Party?
like them?
Yes or no?
No, we don't.
No, I'm asking
you
you,
like
sir.
Chinese
I don't like
Communist
them.
Party
You tell me.
No,
what
we
your-
hate them. What about
China?
you?
No, I don't like. I don't like.
What
Do
do you
you
mean
like
by
them or
that?
not? Yes or no?
Come.
I'm
You-
just asking you, sir. Do you
Please
like them or
come to
not?
Ladakh.
He can't
I will
answer
take
because they have an
around the
MOU with
border.
them.
Seeing is believing. You know.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming. Now, do you accept Sonia Gandhi signing an MOU
No. What
with
does he
Chinese
mean?
Communist
What do you
Party?
mean? You are throwing
the Congress,
on
the
our
most
integrity.
oldest party of this country. No. This does not come today. This starts from 2007 onwards.
Treachery.
Your inklings with the Chinese. Today also, none of the congressmen criticized
Sir,
China.
listen to me now,
There are
listen
others
to
kept
me.
on asking the question from government.
can't.
That's why they were
I
kept
have
in doubt.
not, I
When
have
did the
not
incursion
come
started?
here
So what is this all
as
about?
a spokesman
What
of
is this
the
all about?
INC. I have come here.
Whatever you may have come as, you're a Congress leader. You are a senior Congress leader, sir. What are you saying? A question is being put to
Do
you.
you
of the
approve
leaked
Sonia Gandhi
video.
of signing
Your
an MOU
party.
with Chinese Communist Party?
Tell me one thing,
Do you
Mr.
approve the
Tell
Congress
me,
Party
Mr.
of Sonia
Spalba.
Gandhi of signing an MOU?
Mr. Spalba, let me point
I'm
to
not-
you,
I'm-
and Sambit
I'm
is
not a
back on the debate.
spokesperson
Mr.
of
Spalba,
Congress.
Mr. Spalba, three things to you, three things before you. Why don't you,
Yes, please.
aren't you ashamed
Yes,
of the
please.
fact that
Yes,
your
please.
party president Sonia Gandhi, Antonia Maino, has a special agreement with the Chinese Communist Party, which
Yes.
is the government of China? How can you, as a political party, have an arrangement with the only party which is effectively the government in China? You are undermining the Indian constitution, the parliament, and established forms of government, with Sonia Gandhi having a private deal with Jinping. She should tell us what the private deal is, one. Secondly, your party leader is sniggering and celebrating the fact that China will take over Ladakh. He's saying
I'll have
Kargil should be
5
given
seconds
over.
of say.
Kargil should be given over to Pakistan. And you are telling me that after we exposed this nationally, you acted against them, and we should say thank you to you. Why don't you say today that Sonia Gandhi should go public and declare that she's
much
walking
before
out of the
you
special arrangement
aired
with the
it, we
Chinese
had
Communist Party?
expelled him.
Why can't she say
had
that?
expelled him.
Sambit is countering you.
Just politicizing it.
I'm
Nothing else.
I'm
It's
just
politics,
putting a
nothing
fact,
else.
sir. So you said that we have removed the person from the party. Here is the letter that I have. I'm astonished, Mr. Goswami, if you read the content of the letter. The
Yes.
content of the letter says that we hereby clarified that this is purely a private conversation between two individuals.
Shame!
And the Congress party has nothing to do with it. It's a private
Not
conversation.
at all. Not at all.
Sir, this
Not
is
at
no
all.
private conversation, sir. This is
Not at all.
seditious conversation. This is treacherous conversation. And in fact, lastly, you say the party has issued a so-called notice to
our
Mr.
party didn't
Zakir
even-
Hussain to clear
didn't
his
even
position on the
accept his
matter. Only when the
explanation.
water
He
ran
was
over your head,
forthwith
only
removed,
then
you know.
you sacked him today evening.
No.
So he also
Sir, you
said.
sacked him today evening. This
Mr.
has been
Patra,
going round since
Mr.
Chetan is also on the debate. Tosif is on the debate.
If
Iftikhar Misgar is on the debate. Let's open it up. Few minutes left.
This is merely a
The
private
Congress traitor has been caught on tape. I'd like Iftikhar to come into the debate. Iftikhar is on the debate with Sambit Patra right now.
BJP today is, Sambit ji, tell me one thing, sir. BJP is again trying to dilute the issue. We have a serious issue between China. BJP is
You
trying
are
to dilute the
seditious
issue.
and you're
Tell
trying
me,
to
sir.
dilute the issue. Look at the picture. Look at the picture of Sonia Gandhi. I mean, Sonia Gandhi appears more like a Chinese.
So how does it matter? How does it matter?
My question is, what was
is BJP at the rate of India? Is BJP only the India? Doesn't Congress belong to India? See, you cannot play the monopolistical role. Tell me, sir, your soft role when Wuhan summit happened. Tell me the soft role which Bharatiya Janata Party played in Wuhan. Bharatiya Janata Party remains soft to China. From day one, Bharatiya Janata Party remains soft to China.
Why was 370
Nobody is
dragged
asking
into the
this question
agenda?
to you.
My next question.
And you are not replying to
I see a very
any
insidious
sort of
agenda,
questions.
viewers, a very dangerous agenda building up. Tausif is on the debate. I'd like to get Ajay Alok, Gauravani, everyone in. If you note a critical part, if you note,
this is more despicable. This is more deplorable.
What is deplorable?
Samit Patra must understand what he's trying to say. He has no right to paint one principal opposition party like this. The party which has made this country, which has given his blood, which has given his sweat, has given everything. On the top of it, he's going to talk about this person. Look, whatever he said, that is despicable.
Chetan, when people feel they are being unheard, Chetan, can I tell you one thing? Chetan, you remember the Radia tapes? Chetan, you remember the Radia tapes? You remember the Radia tapes?
You cannot say like this.
Chetan,
nobody is supporting him.
Chetan, one minute. You remember the Radia tapes when people were caught on tape? Okay, Chetan, you remember the Radia tapes when people were caught on tape? They freely gave away their worst secrets. And this conversation, this conversation, wait a minute, this conversation, I'd like Tausif to come into the debate with Ajay Alok. This conversation was on the following points. Sometimes, viewers, what happens is, we are told, why are we looking at this matter in detail? Because I believe, Ajay, that something, this person was caught red-handed. He didn't know he was being recorded. And it's a very senior Congress leader. And he's saying, when Ladakh is broken into pieces, one minute, let me complete my point. Don't be in a hurry. I'm coming to you, Tausif, because you're on the window, you will be next. So wait a minute. What I'm saying, I repeat you, viewers, I've been saying their target is not China, their target is Modi. They see a political opportunity here. And therefore, the views of that other treacherous person called Akar Patel, who says, China is not a problem, BJP is the problem. Has he not said that? Do we not observe? Then the third point, they drag 370 into the narrative. 370 hame wapas milega was the word used by the Congress leader Ajay Alok. 370 jab Ladakh tootega, China Ladakh lega, tab humko 370 wapas milega. Absolute clarity. And then says, Kashmir ko bhej denge hum Pakistan. Absolute clarity. And this tape has been doing the rounds. And Ajay, only when it was exposed on Republic Today, this person, they have taken action against him. Till now, they were refusing to take action. Please. Now, who speaks first? Tausif speaks first. Ajay responds.
What do you mean by taking action?
Ajay bhai, I'll just take 30 seconds. Arnab, today is not a day to debate about who has done what.
Why not?
Congress, as usual, they are losing their spine and they don't know what they are saying today. I am just upset with Congress so much that I can't even utter a word. That's why I'm not debating today. The problem is, कोई भी कुछ भी आता और हमारे country के बारे बोलकर चला जाता है, and we just sit and debate. These people should be given a capital punishment. Whatever he's saying that Kashmir Pakistan चला जाएगा and मोदी को बीच रास्ते में मारा जाएगा. I mean this is rubbish. Today we have to understand that China war is not between China and Modi. We are fighting with China. It's India versus China.
Look, brutality of India has taken thousands of lives in Kashmir, and that found its way to the Pakistan dossier that was submitted by Pakistan to United Nations. So time and again, the statements of leaders of Congress party, be it Shashi Tharoor, be it Mr. Salman Soz, be it Mr. Rahul Gandhi, their statements have been used by enemy nations to further their interest. This is my question. Is this not blasphemous? Is this not treachery?
No,
If
what
this
is
not
what
sedition,
else but a cover-up? I want to make one more point. You remember, I don't know. Tausif, 1 minute. I am going to General Bakshi. One point is there. They are trying to do a cover-up. To Rigzin Zalbar in Spalbar in Leh, I want to tell you. We remember that you even suspended Manishankar Ayyar and brought him back. So you are not sincere about anything. Secondly, General Bakshi, yesterday when the matter actually came up, the Congress committee president said this is a purely private conversation. Party has nothing to do with it. So yesterday they thought they will defend him. The man who says Kashmir should go to Pakistan, the man who says Ladakh should be broken into 2 pieces, the man who says because of this Narendra Modi will be hit, that man till yesterday was being defended by the Congress party. He was, General Bakshi.
First to accept, is it a private conversation? Can I please? Excuse me. I mean, to hell with the private conversation, yaar. It is a conversation of 2 hyenas. You know what a hyena is? You know, in the jungle, when the lion fights, you know, these hyenas lurk in the background, Arnab, in the hope that they will attack the lion.
The third part of it, the third part of the conversation is going to get accepted.
Stop yelling your head off. We are having a very decent debate. Thank you. I am saying, I just want to tell you, this is the hyena act. You know, when a hyena sees a lion fighting another lion, you know, he waits patiently in the background and they laugh exactly in this tone. Arnab, in that hyena-like tone that these 2 scoundrels were laughing. You know, they were hoping that Ladakh would go in 2 pieces. Your may perdition fall on your heads, you traitors. You despicable scum. You know, breathes there a man so dead.
Yeah.
Who never to himself has said, this is my native land.
Absolutely. Sir, I want to add one fact on an aside, and this is my clear message to the Lutyens lobby at the end, Gaurav. I thought I will share this factoid tonight. We spoke about this anti-national individual called Akar Patel, who has said, everyone's on, who said that the problem is not China, the problem is Beijing. On an aside, may I share that this person is a prominent member, I am told, of the Editors Guild of India. And I want to ask Mr. Shekhar Gupta, President of the Editors Guild of India, I want to know which publication Akar Patel is the editor of. If this is becoming a self-serving organization, we need to know about it. He said the problem is the BJP. The problem isn't as much China as it is the BJP. So this person says, therefore, he reduces the problem from China. You can criticize any individual political party leader or prime minister, but you are downplaying the problem from China, overemphasizing on settling your political scores in India. Ladies and gentlemen, the nation wants to know. Sambit.
Swami, I have an objection. I mean, you are expecting too much out of the vultures and hyenas.
Ladies and gentlemen,
these people are the ones.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm closing the debate. The redundant Guild of Editors will soon, we are sure, be replaced by those who actually represent true Indian journalism. I'll see you in a few minutes.